Optimizing opioid addiction treatment. Higher doses for better outcomes. In this health update, we bring you crucial insights from a recent study that could transform opioid addiction treatment. Researchers from Brown University shed light on the importance of reevaluating dosing guidelines in the era of potent opioids like fentanyl. Key highlights. Lower buprenorphine doses were linked to a 20% higher discontinuation rate in opioid addiction treatment. The study focused on patients prescribed buprenorphine in Rhode Island during a period when fentanyl-related overdoses were on the rise. Patients prescribed a recommended 16 milligram daily dose were more likely to discontinue treatment compared to those on a higher 24 milligram dose. Current dosing guidelines were established before fentanyl's emergence, prompting a need for reevaluation. Findings suggest that higher buprenorphine doses may improve treatment retention and save lives. Researchers from Brown University and Western University in Canada have identified a significant diagnostic signal for preeclampsia, a life-threatening pregnancy condition. They found that a protein called Fetal, previously associated with Alzheimer's disease, is also present in the blood and placentas of people with preeclampsia. Depleting Fetal in mouse models prevented the development of preeclampsia and its associated complications. This discovery suggests a connection between preeclampsia and brain-related issues, shedding light on the long-term effects of the condition. Screening tests for the Fetal biomarker and therapies involving the Fetal antibody could improve the outlook for pregnant individuals with preeclampsia. A study led by scientists at Brown University has uncovered new strains of malaria-causing parasites in Ethiopia that are resistant to both current treatments and common diagnostic tests. This discovery presents a significant challenge to efforts to eradicate malaria in Africa, as these double-resistant parasites may lead to increased cases and deaths from the disease. The study found that some parasites with mutations resistant to treatment have also acquired genetic changes that make them invisible to diagnostic tests, making it difficult to detect and treat infected individuals effectively. The research highlights the need for close monitoring of these combined drug and diagnostic-resistant parasites and the development of new therapies and vaccines to combat malaria. A study led by researchers at Brown University compared the safety and effectiveness of the Moderna and Pfizer-BioNTech mRNA COVID-19 vaccines for older adults. The study, involving over 6 million older adults with an average age of 76, found that both vaccines had very low risks of adverse events. However, the Moderna vaccine was associated with a slightly lower risk of adverse events and a 15% lower risk of diagnosed COVID-19 compared to the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine. The study suggests that both vaccines are safe and effective for older adults, but provides valuable information for public health experts considering vaccine preferences for this population. A new study conducted by researchers at Brown University highlights an unintended consequence of police interventions to combat the illicit opioid epidemic. The study found that when police seize opioids, it leads to an increase in overdoses, including fatal ones, in the surrounding geographic area in the 3 weeks following enforcement. This is possibly due to individuals with substance use disorder taking greater risks to restore their drug supply. The study raises questions about policies that may exacerbate overdoses during the ongoing opioid epidemic, emphasizing the need for comprehensive harm reduction strategies alongside law enforcement efforts. A recent study led by researchers at Brown University reveals that exposure to per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances, PFAS, during pregnancy is linked to slightly higher body mass indices, BMIs, and an increased risk of obesity in children. PFAS, often referred to as forever chemicals, are used in various household products and are known for their durability and persistence in the environment. The study involved data collected from 1,391 children and their mothers across different U.S. research sites, providing more comprehensive and generalizable results. The findings suggest that even low levels of PFAS exposure during pregnancy can impact children's health, emphasizing the need for further research and potential policy changes to protect vulnerable populations.